Look, a lot of people have been asking me, how is it you got involved in jewellery making? Well, it's a long story. Mostly it starts in an auction room because I bought a whole load of second-hand jewellery that was all knotted up and looked like it was useless. Well, I undid all the strands and in fact repaired quite a lot of the stuff, and since then the thing's just grown. The jewellery comes in quite a junk heap. Look, I'll show you. It comes in boxes like this, and quite often you'll find not only will you have jewellery like this, but you'll also find wristwatches and other stuff as well. And that of course has to be discarded. Well, I thought I'd show you some of the pieces of jewellery that I've made so far from reconstituted necklaces and the like that I bought at auction. You might be interested in these. This piece of jewellery here started life as 3 strands of a bracelet. This one is just as it came, and you can use that just as it is. It's very long. These, however, these stones, I have bought just to add on to the nice little silver pieces in between. So I do spend a little cash on these things. These are all reconstituted and taken from earlier necklaces. This one I'm working on now. These are the main tools that I use when I'm making a necklace. We have here a pair of fine-nosed pliers. Here we have a pair of side cutters, that's to cut the wire with. And here some round-nosed pliers, and you'll see me using those in a few moments. And the stones are in fact mounted on wire, like this. Some people use thread, but me, I use wire. Some stones, like these, are rescued from redundant necklaces. Sometimes I'll use semi-precious stones, like these. Now these are snowflake obsidian. This time we've got rose quartz, which is very attractive. This time we've got tiger's eye. Now this is something that I'm working on at the moment. Right, now we're ready to start, so we can move these out of the way for the moment and bring in the necklace that I'm working on. Now we need to make just one more link. So we put on one bead first of all, and then we put on the tiger's eye, and then we put on the last little bead. Now we need to make the loop to join into the rest of the necklace. There's the loop. Three beads. And there we are, necklace completed. And so the necklace joins the others already made.